In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point. That means here this is the starting point, that is 0, and from here the first potato which is placed at a distance of 5 meter, and the second potato is here which is placed at a distance of 5 plus 3 8 meter from the starting point. Similarly, third potato is placed at a point that is 5 plus 3 plus 3, that is 11 meter from the starting point. So now the competitor starts from the bucket and picks up the nearest potato, that is first potato, and he will go back to put it in the bucket. So to pick up the first potato and to put it in the bucket, he or she will cover 10 meter distance, 5 meter to pick it up, and again 5 meter to put it in the bucket. So first, for picking the first potato, he or she will cover 10 meter of this 10 meter distance. And to take the second potato, suppose the competitor wants to pick up the second potato, then he or she has to again cover this 8 meter to pick up the potato, and again he or she has to come back 8 meter distance to put it in the bucket. So the total distance will be equal to this 8 meter plus this 8 meter, that is 16 meter distance he or she has to cover. Again for the third potato, he or she has to cover 22 meter distance. In this way it will be continued. So it will form the arithmetic progression. And for this arithmetic progression, the first term is equal to 10, and the common difference will be equal to 16 minus 10, which is equal to 6, and the number of times he or she has to travel will be equal to, there are how many number of potatoes, that will be equal to that number of potatoes. That means if there are 10 number of potatoes, here it is there are 10 number of potatoes, that means here she has to move 10 times to pick up the potato and to put it in the bucket. So n will be equal to 10. Now we have to calculate the total distance covered by the competitor. So that Sn will be equal to, the formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is the number of terms, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. And here we have to calculate S10. This is the formula. So S10 will be equal to 10 by 2 into 2 times a is 10 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 10 minus 1 into d is 6. This will be equal to 5 times 20 plus 9 into 6, that is 54. So 5 into 74, this will be equal to 370 meter. This distance the competitor has to travel to collect all these 10 potatoes and to put it in the bucket.